Hey, future bestsellers, Lisa Daly here. Have you just lost your only chance to hit the USA Today bestseller list? Well, I've got some breaking news for you. Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching today. If you want to write a book you are super proud of and get it published, this is the channel for you. So on to the USA bestseller list news, which just broke this week. Mary Cadden is the person who has been running that list at USA Today since 2007. And USA Today, like all newspapers, is also struggling to maintain their readership in a much more digital age. They have gone through another round of layoffs, unfortunately, and Mary lost her job. The list itself has been published since 1993. She had been running the list since 2007, but the last USA Today best-selling books list appeared November 27th. And the website says the USA Today best-selling books list is on hiatus as we make plans for 2023. But what I'm hearing from friends in the media is that that list is not coming back. Now, this is really a disappointment for independently published authors and authors everywhere. And the reason for that is that other than Amazon's list, which is an awesome list and does represent a large chunk of the book publishing business, USA Today had more prestige than the Amazon bestseller list. And the great thing about the USA Today list is that it was exclusively based on sales, which meant if you had a great audience and you wrote a shifter romance that your fans just can't get enough of, you can hit that list, even though you're most likely not going to hit lists that are partially based on sales, but also based on other factors like the New York Times list. So I think this is a real disappointment for independent authors everywhere. And I don't know that a final decision has been made. As I said, that my friends in the media have said that the rumor is that it's not coming back. But I think as authors, if we all reach out to the editor-in-chief of USA Today and say, hey, this is meaningful for us, and it's an important way for authors who don't have a voice in the bigger media sphere to get recognition for their sales. And the other thing about that is that it benefits USA Today as well. I don't know about you, but certainly a number of my books say USA Today best-selling author on them. And so that's a little ad for the USA Today on the cover of thousands and thousands of books. So it is definitely a mutually beneficial relationship. And it would be a real loss if the USA Today bestseller list goes away. Reach out to the editor-in-chief. I'm going to put the contact information in the description below, so I hope you'll do that. I also hope if you like this video that you'll hit like and subscribe because we're putting out a ton of amazing new content in 2023, and I do not want you to miss a thing. That said, if the list comes back, you're probably going to want to know how to hit it, and you'll want to check out this video about how to hit the list right there. Thanks so much, and I'll see you over there.